Usage of enough with Telugu explanation. Enough may be used as a determiner. For example, I have enough time. I have enough money. I have enough courage. ఇనఫ్ తరువాత నామవాచకం టైం మనీ కరేజ్ రాయడం జరిగింది. ఇనఫ్ ఆ నామవాచకాన్ని నిర్దేశించుచున్నది కాబట్టి అది ఒక డిటర్మినర్. Enough may be used as an adverb. This house isn't big enough. This problem is hard enough to tackle. The deer ran fast enough to save itself. పై వాక్యాలలో ఇనఫ్ యాడ్జెక్టివ్ ఆర్ యాడ్వర్బ్లని ఎక్కువ చేసి చెప్పడానికి ఉపయోగించాము. అందువల్ల యాడ్వర్బ్గా వాక్యంలో పనిచేస్తోంది. Enough may be used as an pronoun. I have enough may be rest, money, etc. We have nearly run out of money. Do you think there is enough for today's expenses? పై వాక్యాలలో ఇనఫ్ ఒక సర్వనామంగా ప్రయోగించబడింది. Study the following sentences. He is very intelligent. He can solve the problem. He is intelligent enough to solve the problem. He has intelligence. He can solve the problem. He has enough intelligence to solve the problem. Observe how the word enough used in both the sentences. In the first sentence, it is written after the adjective and in the second before a noun. పై వాక్యాలలో ఇనఫ్ యొక్క స్థానంలో మార్పుని గమనించవచ్చు. మొదటి వాక్యంలో యాడ్జెక్టివ్కి తరువాత రెండో వాక్యంలో నౌన్కి ముందు రాయడం జరిగింది. Now, rewrite the following sentences using enough. Ramesh is so strong that he can defeat Rajesh. Ramesh is strong enough to defeat Rajesh. Karuna was so tall that she could reach the shelf. Karuna was tall enough to reach the shelf. Ramesh is very strong that he can defeat Rajesh. Ramesh is strong enough to defeat Rajesh. Karuna was very tall that she could reach the shelf. Karuna was tall enough to reach the shelf. Ramesh has strength. He can defeat Rajesh. Ramesh has enough strength to defeat Rajesh. Karuna did homework. Teacher appreciated her. Karuna did enough homework to be appreciated by her teacher. The room has space. I can accommodate you. The room has enough space to accommodate you.